Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Saurabh Chala. Today I am going to show you how to create an API using MailChimp and how to send emails using that MailChimp API. But guys, before moving ahead, as you see, this is my channel. My channel name is Saurabh Chawla, where the motive of this channel is to share all the technological updates and technological news and like tech hacks and everything. So guys, as you see, this is the new channel as we are significantly growing. We already have like 82 subscribers, and soon we are going to reach 100. And with your support and love, we can soon reach 2000 as well. So guys, I request you all to kindly shower your love and kindly support to this channel. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, kindly subscribe to my channel. So thank you guys. So let's move ahead now. How to create a Mailchimp API? Okay, so first of all, we have to go to mailchimp.com. Okay, then you can see you can either sign it for free or you can log in. Okay, as I've already created my account, so I will directly go to the login. You can see a login dashboard like here. We also can do a create an account here. So like I told you, I already have a login. So I will just click on login, and as soon as I got login, you can see my name here, and everything is here. So now I have to click here and go to accounts. As soon as you click on account, it will take you to this page, and here we have to go to the extras, and then we have to click on the API keys. Okay, let's do that. Let's click on API key, and we can get the API key from here. So I've already created an API key, but still I will show you guys how to create an API key. And also, once we get an API key, what we will do is I have created a sample piece of code in PHP, so that whenever you get an API key, you can implement that API key into your code. You can use any other code rather than PHP. As I have the PHP code, so I have created a sample for PHP. Okay, so how it works is like, for example, if you have a website and you have an opt-in, like you need your customers to get subscribed to your website for newsletters and updations, like anything for that. So you can have a simple form like first name, last name, email, and once you click on a subscribe button, so automatically using API we can grab that email ID name and we can send it to the Mailchimp list. Okay, so as soon as we get in the Mailchimp list, what we can do is like we can send them a welcome email. We can send them all the updations that we have a plan of action. For example, if you are doing something and if you have any updates, so by simply clicking on button you can send your update to all your customers. But guys, don't spam it, like MailChimp didn't like spams and all those things. So be clear, do your business very nicely, like don't fake or spam anything. If you're doing well with your business, definitely it will not going to ban your account. Okay guys, so just keep in mind that don't do any promotional, unwanted promotional, and don't irritate people. Okay, so now we just have to go here and click on the create an API key, create a key. So as you see, I've already created. Okay, we just have to grab this key. Okay, once we grab this key, we can use it in the code. So I have this piece of code. What I will do is I will also put this piece of code in description, so you guys can directly go in the description and copy this code and check it directly. So guys, if you see in the code, we need a couple of things. Like first thing is we need list ID. How to get a list ID, I will explain you step by step. Then you will need an email and at name, first name. Okay, you can have first name, last name, whatever. So this email and first name can be get directly from your form that you are using. Okay, and list ID, how to get it, and as we already have the API key, we have to just paste the API key here. Okay, so automatically everything will get works. Now the important thing is list ID. What list ID means is like, for example, whenever you create an API MailChimp, so in that you have to create a contact list, so that like campaign. Okay, so let's suppose you have a welcome campaign going on. So whoever is registered on your website, you're sending them an automate email by telling them that, hey, hi, welcome to my channel, like welcome to my website, your credentials are this and you will get these benefits, etc., etc., whatever your content would be. Okay, so how to do that? Okay, you have to go to audience, which I have already clicked and went to the audience. And in the audience, if you see, you have to go to settings and you have to click on audience name and defaults. Okay, on click of that, you can see this: some plugins and integration may request your audience ID. Okay, typically this is what they want. So what does audience ID or list ID means? This is the list ID and audience ID. Okay, we just have to copy this audience ID or list ID and we have to put it here. So once we do that, rest of the code is already, we don't have to do. And as I'm writing, do not modify code below, guys, means if you are a good programmer and you can do whatever you want. But if you don't want to, like, if you can simply use this, so I would suggest you to simply use this, don't do anything else. Okay, so like this we have to do. So we have to use curl. So here if the Mailchimp send you 200 as a okay, so means that is a success message, so you can do whatever you want here. Okay, and then if there are some error, so they grab some error message like 214 is means the person is already subscribed to your list. Okay, otherwise if there are some issues, so the default will be there some problems occur, please try again. If we means if we can have another filtration, if like while sending values from your post or something like that, so you can have this extra values piece of code, but it's just an extra piece of code, you don't need that. Okay guys, so now again, just a recap. So what you have to do is you have to go to the Mailchimp, you have to log in, then simply you have to go to the account section here, as I mentioned you, in the account section, once you go to the account section, you have to click on extra, and once you click on extra, you have to go to the API keys, and from here you can create an API key. You can grab this API key and put this in the piece of code or any other language that you are using. And then the another important thing is like you need an audience ID. Like guys, if you don't use if you're not using exactly the core programming language, or if you're using WordPress or any third party plugin or something like that, so there also you will need a couple of things. One is API key and another is audience ID, which is list ID. Okay guys, so there also it will be beneficial for you guys. So as soon as you do that, then you are done. So whenever a new subscriber come into your list, you can simply have that in your contact list. Okay guys, so hope you like this video and you understood everything, how to create an API, can audience feed, everything. So guys, if you like this video, I request you all again to kindly subscribe to my channel if you didn't subscribe to my channel. And if you like, if you think this is really give value to watch your video, so kindly subscribe and kindly share with your friends and family. Thank you so much watching this video guys. Thank you so much.